Hello, and welcome back to another episode of How to Design Stickers, even though you have a zero experience in art. The app we're going to use today is Adobe Express. It's free on Android and Apple Store. First thing, open the app and click on the plus icon, choose solid color and set the dimensions to 6000 x 6000. Make sure you have your own photos ready. I like to use Canva free photos after removing their backgrounds. Now, double tap to edit your text design. After you're finished adding your text, choose a proper font, color and size. Now to add a little bit move, click on Align and choose Curved. Make sure everything is aligned correctly in the center. You can add effects like shadows or stroke to your text. To avoid your design being printed separately, don't forget to add a background stroke. The cool thing about this app is you got to save your designs easily in a transparent format, without the need to pay for pro subscription. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.